Our Hiligaynon word for the day is badlit. Badlit. When we say badlit, it means a line, stroke, sign or mark with a pencil, a pen, or the like. It can also means to line, sign, or mark with the stroke of the pen, brush, or etc. Badlit. Badliti ang papel sang imo pluma. Badliti ang papel sang imo pluma. Mark the paper with the stroke of your pen. Badliti ang papel sang imo pluma. Ibadlit ang lapis sa kahoy. Mark the wood with a pencil. Ibadlit ang lapis sa kahoy. Ining papel na badlitan sing tatlo ka kuris. This paper has been marked with 3 strokes. Ining papel na badlitan sing tatlo ka kuris. Dili mo pag ipabadlit ang papel sa mga bata. Don't permit the children to make lines on the paper. Dili mo pag ipabadlit ang papel sa mga bata. Hindi mo siya pagpabadliton sang papel. Do not allow him to make lines on the paper. Hindi mo siya pagpabadliton sang papel. Anhon mo kung amo ina ang badlit sang palad mo. What can you do if such is the streak in your fate? Anhon mo kung amo ina ang badlit sang palad mo. Ang iya mga kilay daw minadlit sang isa katigduag. Her eyebrows are like the strokes of a painter's brush, or her eyebrows were like the strokes of a painter's brush. Ang iya mga kilay daw binadlit sang isa katigduag. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, badlit. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.